So Rahul is going to office. अभी बाकी सारी चीज़ें मैं अभी बताती हूँ. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel and I am in Singapore. So it's been really a long time that I haven't done any video, and people who follow me on Instagram, they already know the reason behind it. So some of you who don't know, I was shifting or moving to some place, and yes, I moved to Singapore. यहाँ पे अभी बहुत सारी noises हैं because मैं बाहर वीडियो शूट करूँ, अंदर रूम में बहुत मेसी हो रखा है. That's why I didn't do it there. So आज का जो वीडियो है वो है कुर्ती haul, and I am going to release this video in 2 parts. I hope you guys can understand because अभी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैनेज करनी है. सो अभी मैंने थोड़ा वीडियो शूट किया है, सो विच आई विल रिलीज टुडे. और इसका जो सेकंड पार्ट है वो शायद मैं कल रिलीज़ कर दूँगी, और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली परसों तो पक्का कर दूँगी. सो आई होप यू गाइज कैन अंडरस्टैंड, एंड आई होप you guys like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily updates. So yeah, that's all about it, and बहुत ज़्यादा noises हैं. Finally, now let's move to the video without any further ado. So the first thing is this red printed anarkali kurta. Fabric is cotton. It comes with 3/4 sleeves with tassel belt on the waist to cinch it. This is a classy and stylish piece with so much comfort of cotton fabric, and you can always style it as a dress and kurta at the same time. I have paired it with a white jegging as well, so that you guys can get a look. And I love the print. It's perfect for Navratri, Garba night or Durga Puja or any other festive season. Just team it up with your oxidized jewelry, and that's all guys, you are good to go. Pink solid kurta with jacket. So this is a straight fit kurta but with no slit. Fabric is cotton, which is super comfy, and this is a solid kurta with printed jacket, which makes it look really elegant. And this baby pink color with the polka dot white jacket is a perfect combination, and you can always style this kurti on your festive days as well as on daily basis. And this kurti is little bit transy, but that is manageable with a nude inner, and that's all. The next one is this Bandej red printed kurta with cold shoulder detailing, and this is a 100% cotton fabric which provides a great comfort on the skin. This kurta is available in 2 different colors like yellow and red. This is a perfect outfit for Navratri, like for Garba night, because of its Bandej print all over, and I'm sure this kurta will fetch you some great compliments. And just pair it with your oxidized jewelry, and that's it. Blue embroidered kurta. Basically this is a dress cum kurta with cold shoulder and embroidery detailing on the shoulder and sleeves. Also this comes with belt detailing on the waist area, which makes it really flary. Fabric is cotton, which will provide you ease in this humid weather. Or you can pair it like a dress or kurta with white jegging or palazzo, and that's it. kurta. It comes with short sleeves, very classy and comfy because of its cotton fabric, and you can always theme it up with white color jegging or maybe the whichever color you like you can also go for green as well. This is a perfect outfit for office, college or daily wear look. Grey printed kurta, and this one is really stylish. As you guys can see, this one comes with a high and low hem, also with tassel detailing, and this is an ideal outfit for Durga Puja or Navratris. I mean, if you want, you can also wear it like a dress. Just tie a belt around your waist and you are good to go. Just go for oxidized jewelry. Also, you can pair it with white jegging, palazzo, or maybe maroon palazzo. Go for maroon dupatta as well, and you are just good to go. It will give you a perfect Indian look. Maroon printed anarkali from the brand Nayo, and this kurti is so affordable and stylish. Actually, one of my favorite because of its high-low hem pattern and color combination. I really loved it. The fitting is so perfect, and on the waist they have provided the elastic belt. So if you go a little up and down in your size, then definitely it is manageable with this kurti, and you can wear it like a dress or like a kurti or the way you want it. It's a perfect kurti for any festive look or for anything. Just go for any jewelry and you are good to go. I would recommend you to buy this one. The fabric is cotton and it's a must have. Next up, I got this black printed kurta, and the print is like all crisscross and the floral kind of a print, and it comes with jacket. So, which is the best part? So, people who don't like to wear sleeveless, they can go for jacket, and you can always pair it with white or black jegging. I have paired it with pink jegging, although I wanted to pair it with white, but I thought let's go for little pop of color, and that's why I added this pink color, and it's not looking that bad actually. So this is a very affordable kurti, and I really like the jacket print because it's kind of highlighting the whole kurta look, and just pair it up with your favorite jewelry and you are good to go. Last but not the least, the black printed full length maxi kurti. It comes with 3/4 sleeves, keyhole neckline, and in the back there is a drop neck, curated with elegance. The bottom hemline comes with red border. Fabric of that one is raw silk, and the kurta fabric is cotton. It's kind of leaf design all over. I really loved it, and it's a perfect thing for Durga Puja or Navratris or any festive look. I mean, also you can wear these type of maxi kurtis like a dress if you are going for vacation or anywhere. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.